Hello friends, good morning to all. Today we will learn numerical based on tension member. First numerical, a plate 240 mm wide and 10 mm thick is connected by 20 mm 5 rivets as shown in figure. Calculate the strength of tension plate. Take sigma AT is equal to 150 Newton per mm square. In given question, a plate 240 mm wide. See this diagram. This is the plate. Width of plate is 240 mm and 10 mm thickness. So thickness of plate is 10 mm is connected by 20 mm 5 rivets. So rivet diameter is 20 mm as shown in figure. Then calculate strength of tension plate. So calculate P. Take the value of stress in axial tension is equal to 150 Newton per mm square. So this is the diagram. This is the number of rivets holes is here and width of plate is 240 mm. This portion is known as staggered pitch. This portion is known as staggered pitch. So staggered pattern 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 7 is the staggered pattern and failure pattern of plate is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so P is the tensile strength of this plate. First of all, write given data. Nominal diameter of rivet, it is denoted by capital D, is equal to 20 mm is given in question. So gross diameter of rivet hole small d is equal to nominal diameter of rivet capital D plus 1.5, that is 21.5 mm. Note, as per IS 800-1984 diameter, the gross diameter may be found by increasing the nominal diameter by certain allowances as given below. So gross diameter is equal to nominal diameter plus 1.5 mm. If the nominal diameter it should be less than 25 mm, then we have to calculate gross diameter by using this formula. Okay, if the nominal diameter is greater than 25 mm, so we have to calculate gross diameter is equal to nominal diameter plus 2 mm as per IS 800-1984. So see this here. In given question, gross diameter of rivet small d is equal to 20 plus 1.5 mm, that is 21.5 mm. Okay. And second note is here gauge. What is meant by gauge? Gauge distance, it is the distance between adjacent rivet lines or distance between the back of rolled section and first rivet line, or center to center distance between two consecutive rivets measured along width of member or connection. Okay, so width of plate is given in question. So width of plate is equal to 30 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 30 is equal to 240 mm. Then S is equal to 50 mm, where S is the staggered pitch. See this diagram, width of plate is equal to 30 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 30 is the 240 mm, and staggered pitch is here. This portion is known as staggered pitch. So this is the 50. Okay, so this is the 50. So S is equal to S is equal to 50 mm, and where S is equal to staggered pitch, G is equal to 60 mm. So G is the gauge distance. Okay. So next step, second, find A net first section and A net is the second section. So first section is the considering failure of plate along section 1, 2, 3, 4. So first section considering failure of the plate along section 1, 2, 3, 4. See this diagram. Considering failure plate 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and second section is the considering staggered failure plate. So 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 7. Okay. So first of all we will calculate A net 1. So considering the failure of plate along section 1, 2, 3, 4, we have A net is equal to B minus ND into T. So B is equal to width of plate, B is the is equal to 240 mm, N is equal to 2, so N is the number of holes in zigzag line. So considering section line 1, 2, 3, 4, N is equal to 2. Number of holes, N is equal to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of holes 1, 2. Okay. So N is equal to 2, where N is equal to number of holes in the zigzag line, means considering pattern. D is equal to 21.5 mm as per step first. D is the gross diameter, is equal to 21.5 mm. T is equal to 10 mm. T is the thickness of plate. So T is equal to 10 mm. Okay, so find A net 1 is equal to B minus ND into T. So B is equal to 240 mm. Put the values in this formula. 240 minus 2 into 21.5 into 10. Then we get A net 1 is equal to 1970 mm square. Okay. Now for area along staggered line 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 7. So we know that what is the formula for net sectional area of staggered pattern. So A net 2 is equal to B minus ND plus N dash S square divided by 4G into T. So this is the formula for net sectional area for staggered line. Okay, so now considering area along staggered line 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 7. See this figure 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 7. Okay, so this is the staggered line. Where B is equal to 240 mm and 4. N is the number of holes in the zigzag line. So N is equal to 4 for pattern 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 7. Number of holes 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 7. So number of holes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So n is equal to 4, d is equal to 21.5 mm as per step 1, n dash is equal to 3. So what is the meaning of n dash? N dash is the number of staggered pitch. So n dash is equal to 3. S is equal to 50. T is equal to 10 mm thickness of plate, and G is the gauge distance 60 mm. See here, n dash is equal to 3, number of staggered pitch. See here, 1, considering pattern 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 7. So how many staggered lines? 2 to 5, 1, 5 to 3, 2, and 3 to 6, 3. So there are 3 staggered lines. So n dash is equal to 3. Okay, and S is equal to 50. See here, staggered distance S is equal to 50, and gauge distance is the 60. Okay, gauge distance is the 60. So put the value of n8 to, what is the formula? n8 to b minus nd plus n dash s square divided by 4g. So put the value of this formula, then we get n82 is equal to 1852.5 mm square. So minimum net area of section is the n82. So 1852.5. So step 3rd, calculate strength of plate. Find strength of plate. So strength of plate is given by minimum net area of section into sigma 80. So minimum net area of section is 1852.5 into 150. Then we get 277875 Newton. So convert in kilonewton divided by 1000. Then we get strength of plate is equal to 277.875 kilonewton. Okay, thank you.